Welcome back to my studio. In this video I'm just going to tell you a little bit about a new course I've just completed called How to Paint Like an Impressionist. As the name suggests, we are focusing on Impressionist painting. I'm going to show you techniques, brushstrokes, little things that I use to try and get that Impressionist look to a painting. There's a beautiful reference that you can also download and try out for yourself after you've watched the lesson, of course, and seen how to put this painting together. When you join the course, you'll also be joining my community of artists on my painting school. You can share your work, get some feedback, enjoy taking part in the community of artists. That's what it's all about as well. So in this course, we're going to look specifically at color, brushwork, and how to get that quintessential Impressionist look, that light feel, the atmosphere, that airiness, and getting that beautiful Impressionist look. Something like you may have seen with paintings by Monet or Pissarro. If that sounds interesting, have a look at the link below and see if this course is something you'd like to consider. Preview it and maybe it's the right fit for you. Right, that's it. Enjoy the course if you take it on, and keep painting, keep creating.